Fixing to do an unboxing, and my boy Kyle got a brand new RC.
Yee!
So we fixing to open it up and see what good stuff he's got.
TRAXXAS, baby. Oh, I see wheels.
Oh yeah, got the green wheels. Green arms to go with it.
Oh, the green, yeah. Motherfucker, why did they even put it in a box if it's the same size? Yeah! Look at that.
Yes, sir.
It's like it's Christmas morning. I'm gonna open this thing. Oh, man.
There you go.
Look at that. Dude. What a fucking beaut, man.
Probably got to take the body off to get that plastic bag off. Yep. You turn it sideways and it should lift up.
Well, glad someone knows what they're doing. Lift up.
Yep. There you go. Now pull back. Pull straight back. There you
Bam!
go. Heck yeah.
Oh man.
Heck yeah. Brand new.
Gonna have the green wheels on it.
Oh yeah. That's gonna look good.
Dude, that's gonna look tight.
Got some kind of paperwork sitting right here.
Well,
Yep.
Okay, I got some stickers. Oh shit.
Yep. Your tools are in there.
There she
Remotes
is.
on the bottom.
Dude, this thing.
Got 4 AA batteries.
Yeah.
You're gonna need it for the controller.
It's gonna work, right? Bro, this thing just feels so much like better than this.
Got your wrenches. Got an additional battery lockdown. Got here's your extra gear in here.
Oh, the bigger penny or the penny one. And here's the fucking heartbeat of America right here.
Manual.
We ready?
Yep. Got his battery charger and battery. We're gonna put this all together and we'll come back.